everyone, welcome back to a new video. So this video is going to be a POV. I've been feeling unmotivated lately, so I'm going to be giving you the ultimate guide on how I get over this little phase of being unmotivated and how to feel your best, feel motivated, feel productive, and just get out of this slump. So recently I've been feeling really unmotivated for some reason. I don't know why. Literally summer is right here, like it's right here around the corner, and I've just been feeling super unmotivated. I think it's because I've been taking a summer semester, so I feel very like lazy and motivated because it's been a lot on me because this summer semester is really short. It's a short semester, and I finished my spring semester and I've just been doing this summer one, and it's honestly just been unmotivating me because I was really looking forward to summer, and now I have this thing that ends in like the middle of June, so it's like really annoying, really long, really draining. But yeah, I've been feeling really unmotivated. Also, the weather hasn't really been cooperating because it's been raining a lot in Miami, so that sucks as well. But I've been trying to make the most out of it. But today I'm going to be trying to make myself feel better and feel more motivated because it's just been too much. So with all of that being said, the first thing that I'm going to do is make my bed, get out of bed, and go shower because I really want to shower. I feel like showering really just wakes you up and freshes your mind and just gets you ready for the day. Morning showers, I love morning showers. I also love night showers though, they're like amazing. But morning showers, when you're feeling lazy and you just have a lot to do but you don't know how to start, you just take a morning shower. It freshes you up, it opens your mind, it cleans your face, opens your eyes, and you're ready to start your day. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, and yeah, we're gonna have a good day today. So yeah, keep in mind that making your bed in the morning, like as soon as you wake up or as soon as you can, really helps you start your day and have like a productive day. Because if you don't make your bed in the morning when you wake up or whenever you like leave your house or whatever, then you're just gonna not do anything. Like it's not gonna motivate you. That's the first thing in the morning that's gonna set you up for success for your day, to have a good day and to start your day off on a good note. Because if you don't make your bed and you have all these expectations of doing all these different things, you have a whole to-do list, but you don't do the bare minimum, which is making your bed, that's not gonna set you up for success, and you're just not gonna have a good day, period. So what I do is I wake up and I make breakfast first, because I can't just wake up and make my bed. Like that's just not gonna happen. Like I can't get out of bed and then make my bed that second, because I like chilling on my bed and like I get cold, so I like going in my sheets, but not laying down, just like sitting in my bed, you know what I mean? So I wake up, I eat breakfast, and then I come back in my room and I make my bed because I ate breakfast, so I have a little bit of energy in my system, and that's when I get my day started. But first I have to eat, because if I don't eat, it's just not gonna happen. So I wake up, I chill on my phone for a little bit, and then I eat breakfast, and then I make my bed. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna make my bed right now. Okay, so now that I did my skincare and showered and all of that, I'm gonna get ready because my mom and I are gonna go to a coffee shop. We're gonna go eat breakfast at our favorite coffee shop. We've been going a lot recently, but I think that it's super important when you're feeling unmotivated or when you're feeling in a rut. Doing something that brings you joy and fills you up with happiness is super important and will push you to strive for success and get you back in your productive routine to feel motivated again. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. We're gonna get ready and we're gonna go to the coffee shop. It's currently raining so much, but I'm going to breakfast with my mom. Okay, so I have a haul and I'm gonna open it for you guys. So I have a Sephora box and then I have a Nike box. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I got. Okay, so first things first, from Sephora, I got a new Kosas concealer. They literally gave me this big box just for a little concealer. But I have my Kosas concealer and this is my favorite concealer. I got it in the shade 03W and it's super good. I love it. It really covers my under eye bags. So this is the one that I have now. It's running out. I don't know if you could see. And this is the one that just came in the mail. It's the same shade. It's the 03W and it's super good. It's super creamy and really helps brighten under eye bags. So I totally recommend this concealer. Next, we have the Nike box. It says to pull here. So cute. Let's see what's in the box. Oh my god. They're so cute. I got new running shoes. I've been really in the need of new running shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. I got them in pink because I'm literally in love with the color pink now. It's literally my favorite color and these are so cute. Mine were like breaking and everything. So, and they literally don't weigh anything, which is perfect. I'm gonna try them on, but I love them. They just look like this. So cute. This is what they look like on. Obviously, I wouldn't wear them with these socks, but they're super cute. So this is the aftermath of a haul. So I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, so a very important part about when you're feeling unmotivated is taking care of yourself. You have to prioritize yourself because at the end of the day, you're the only person that's gonna lift yourself back up and get back in the groove of being motivated and getting everything that you have to get done and just being more productive and getting out of that little funk that you're going through, which is me right now. So I feel like I've been neglecting taking care of myself and that's a very big error. You have to take care of yourself and want to love yourself as much as you can during this time because you're the only person that could fix you and you have to bring yourself back up. No one else is gonna bring you back up but yourself. So like I said, I've been neglecting that and that's a very big problem. So with that being said, I'm going to be doing a little bit of self-care and most importantly, my skin, because I don't know if you could see, but my skin is not doing too well at the time. It's not that bad, but it could be better. And I haven't done a face mask in such a long time. So I'm going to be using this face mask by The Ordinary. It's a salicylic acid. It has 2%. And it's super good with declogging your pores and just cleaning out your blackheads and pimples and just anything that has to do with bumps or anything on your face. So I'm gonna be using this and cleaning my face a little bit extra today. I feel like when you're unmotivated, you have to take things step by step because if you're in a funk or in a rut and you're not feeling the best, and you just feel like you just don't want to do anything, you're unmotivated, you're not doing anything productive with your life, you feel like you're useless and worthless and you're just in a rut basically, you have to take things step by step. You can't just expect to one day wake up and want to do all these things, get all these things done. That's not realistic. You have to take things step by step. You have to make goals for yourself for each day, but realistic goals. It's the same as New Year's goals. You can't set a New Year resolution that's not realistic. You can't set all these goals that you know that are not realistic and that you will not accomplish, because then if you wake up that day and you tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna do this, and then you don't get all of that done, then at the end of the day, you're gonna feel like uncompleted. You're gonna feel like you didn't do anything. You're just gonna feel down on yourself and it's just not going to be a good thing for you. So you have to take things step by step. You just have to make little goals and little by little you're going to get out of that rut, because you can't just promise all these things and then not do them, because if you're in a funk, you're not just going to wake up one day and decide that you're gonna be the most productive person on the planet, because that's just not realistic and it's just not gonna happen. Anyways, for me, doing self-care and doing all of these acts of love for myself are really important, and I really prioritize them because when I look good, I feel good. So when I feel good, I want to do good, do better, and just change the mindset and change all the negative things about me. So right now, since I'm in a rut, I just feel like if I look good and I start eating healthier and I start doing all these types of things and start working out more and start journaling and start doing all of these like productive, healthy habits, then I'm just gonna feel way better and I'm gonna feel way more motivated and like I want to accomplish more things. If I just let myself go downhill and not take care of myself, not love myself, not prioritize myself, my health, and just do things for me, no one else but me, then it's just not gonna work out, and you're just gonna stay in this rut forever. Anyways, I put on the face mask. I'm gonna clean my hand and I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. To journal. I think that journaling is really important for your mindset and for like spirituality type of things. So I want to try a new thing today. I've been hearing a lot about manifestation. I'm guessing you guys have also, but I don't really want to get into that route of like manifestation, but I do want to write some motivational manifestations. I feel like that's really good when you're feeling in a rut to write those things. If you have all these goals that you want to get done and you want to like manifest them into reality, I don't want to get into manifestation, but I feel like just motivational manifestation is fine. I heard someone talk about it and I thought it was pretty interesting. What I'm gonna do is I have this journal right here. I love it so much. It's from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to write some motivational manifestations, some things that I want to get done in the future, things that I want to accomplish, big milestones, big goals, and I'm gonna write it down as if I already accomplished them. So for example, I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Obviously I haven't hit those yet, but that's a very big milestone that I want to accomplish. So I'm going to write that down and act as if I already accomplished all of these things, and like that I could like put it into the existence, obviously with effort, but hopefully it comes true. Okay, I just finished doing the motivational manifestations, so that's good to know. I put the date and everything, so in the future I know when I wrote these things, and hopefully all of them come true. I wrote them very realistic. I've been wanting to write the motivational manifestations for a while now, but I always just put it off, but I felt like it was good for this video because it's part of like getting back into your motivational routine. So I'm happy I did that. But now what I want to do, and is very important, it's key to getting back into your routine and to feeling more motivating, is planning. Planning, I cannot stress that enough. Planning will help you so much and will guide you into the best direction that you could possibly go into. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be creating my to-do list for tomorrow, because I have a lot to do tomorrow, to be honest. I have a very busy week ahead of me. I have literally something every day next week, and they're like big things. So I want to do a to-do list for tomorrow because I want to get as many things done tomorrow so I could like prepare for my busy week ahead of me. So tomorrow is a Monday, so I want to try to get as many things possible and have a productive Monday to start the week off right on the right note. So with that being said, I'm going to get into writing my to-do list right here. Okay, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. I hope that this video inspired you and motivated you. I hope that you got something out of this video, and I think that, and after filming this video, I feel way better. I think that journaling, making your bed, and doing all the little tasks that I did in this video really helped and really got me going. And I feel like tomorrow and the rest of this week I'm going to be prepared to be productive again and feel motivated again, because time is ticking and I have a lot of things to get done before summer, and I just think that I really had to get out of this rut, and I feel way better, and I think that I did get out of this rut, and tomorrow I'm gonna have such a productive day. And I hope that you are as well. When you're watching this, if you're feeling lazy, get up and do something, go on a walk, feel your best. I'll see you guys in the next one.